Telstra Best of Business Award for National Embracing Innovation Award winner is Transmutation.
Around a month ago, a small business from Robe took to the stage to accept the National Award for Embracing Innovation at the Telstra Best of Business Awards.
Say hello to Transmutation. Behind these doors is a business that is turning waste great again. And what is happening in here is actually so incredible and putting Robe on the world stage when it comes to recycling. And I am about to introduce you to the husband and wife team behind it all.
So Transmutation, we like to think we make waste great again. And we also take one man's trash and turn it into everyone's treasure. So we're pretty much a recycling company. We take what you would consider waste plastic, post-consumer and post-industrial waste, and we convert it into homewares. We sort of upcycle as well, so we like to get it back into the circular economy at a higher level than it came out.
We take in waste products, or it's our raw material, for example, the bread tag, and with heat, and pressure, we were able to reshape and upcycle them into homewares.
I don't think people realise exactly how much sort of plastic is not getting recycled or is going to landfill and into our ocean, so 2.5 million tonne a year. Yeah, and we're obviously scaling our operation to save more plastic, so we're getting more industrial with our processes now, so we can actually keep more plastic out of landfill.
Their unassuming factory in Robe is taking the saying reduce, reuse and recycle to a whole new level.
So once we've washed the tags, we dry the tags, we put them into our bins, and then they're ready for the colour selection process. So basically when we're making a particular colour, we get 3 handfuls of that, 5 handfuls of that, put it into the mould, cook it up, put it into the press, and over to Narelle for finishing off.
And then someone like me walks in and goes, I would like that Lazy Susan, please, or I'd like that beautiful bowl.
Exactly.
And then I buy it, I go home and I put it in my kitchen.
Yes, and the great thing is you can see the original bread tag all the way through the system and in the end product.
That's so cool. Does this happen anywhere else in the world?
No, not that I know of. So if you can find it, let us know.
These gorgeous, magnificent homewares in front of me are actually made from bread tags. From that to that. Some of them are from 1991. Can you believe that? And you only use it a couple of times and then you throw it in the bin. But these guys turn them into beautiful homewares. And what I love is businesses like Country Road have jumped on board and they are releasing their own range of Transmutation homewares. These guys are Australia-wide and you just wait. They are going to be all over the world and it happens right here in Robe.
Transmutation also works with different partners like Dulux to take their waste and transform it so it can be used again.
We've been able to get the powder coating waste that they produce in Melbourne out of the powder coating sort of factory at Dulux and make it into a polymer. So we're using other waste materials with that agricultural waste. We've licensed our recipe over with our partners at SBS and Hamilton. And now we're basically taking all of the Dulux powder coating waste, making it into a plastic bead and recycling it into our products. This problem is a world problem in this industry. So 130 tonne a year in Australia, 800,000 tonnes around the world. No one else has been able to figure out a way to keep this out of landfill and to recycle at the same time. So it's a world first, patent pending for us.
Australian cricketer Adam Zampa is also involved with Transmutation and strongly believes in the work they're doing.
Plastics that we assume are rubbish, we chuck them out. Normally, they're putting to good use, so yeah, it's great.
Transmutation is something special. Brad, Narelle and their staff are so passionate about taking someone's trash and turning it into everyone's treasure. This is only the beginning of what they want to achieve. Everything you need to know can be found on their website, and next time you're in Robe, make sure you visit the retail store at 14 Flint Street.
I am so impressed by Transmutation. What Brad and Narelle are doing for South Australia, for the world, for the future is incredible. This shop, the workshop, is so interesting. You've got to come to Robe, check it out. And I tell you what, it's an honour to share their story with you all.